Welcome to 51,578 Golden Eagle Drive, resort-style living at an exceptional value. Located inside Trilogy at the Polo Club, this home offers access to one of the Coachella Valley's premier resort communities. This beautifully maintained home welcomes you with charm, low-maintenance landscaping, and inviting desert style. Inside, the bright open floor plan features a chef-friendly kitchen with granite counters and stainless appliances, comfortable living spaces, and a flexible den perfect for a home office or hobbies. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths provide comfort for everyday living or hosting visiting guests. Step outside to your covered patio, ideal for relaxing mornings or entertaining under the desert sky. Offered at just $399,000, this is resort living at an incredible value. Contact the John K. Miller Group today for your private tour.